Entering your personal information into the Life Planner is easy. Once you've logged into your Life Planner, you can access and enter your information. The Kangaroo Defender LifePlanner keeps all of your information organized into categories on a dashboard that you alone can control. Select a category that you would like to enter information and click New Card. You can enter as much or as little personal information as you wish. It's entirely up to you, and only you have access to the information you enter here. The Life Planner will store and organize all of your personal information safely for you to conveniently access and view anytime you need it. Once you save your information, you can review or go back in and edit the data. To enter information in another category, simply select the icon for the other category and create a new card. For more detailed information about any of these and other great features of your Kangaroo Defender Life Planner, see these helpful videos to learn